Okay, in this video we will focus on compound shapes and finding area and perimeter of them, okay? And the compound shape is made up of a number of different shapes. So let's say in here, okay, this is a compound shape and it's made up of a triangle and a rectangle. So we can just draw a line in here. And then we have two shapes in here. And it's really easy. So every single time you will get a compound shape, you need to divide it into shapes and you know how to find the areas, okay? So we have, let's say, area 1 and area 2. Okay, so first of all, let's start with finding what's area 1, okay? So this is a triangle, and then how to find the area of triangle. First of all, we need to write down the formula for it. So A1 is a triangle and we need formula, and the formula says 1/2 base multiplied by height. So where's the base and where's the height, okay? So in here, this is the base, and this is the height. This is right angle triangle, so this might be the base and this might be the height, okay? Doesn't matter. We need to multiply them. So first of all, how long is the base? As you can see, this line segment is 10 centimeters long. This one is 4. So how much is this one? What is missing, okay? And you can simply say, oh, 10 minus 4 is 6. So B is 6 centimeters. So the base is 6 centimeters. Then we need to look at the height. How much is it? How long is it, okay? And the same. This line segment is 8. This one is 4. So what is missing, okay? And if you take it away, you'll get 4 centimeters. 4 plus 4 gives you 8. So in this case, H is 4. Now, the next step is just put the numbers into the formula, okay? And then we have A1 equals 1/2 multiplied by 6 centimeters and multiplied by 4 centimeters. And 6 multiplied by 1/2, it's 3. 3 multiplied by 4, 12. So we have 12 centimeters squared, okay? Then we need to find what is area 2. Okay, so area 2, this is much easier. This is just a rectangle, and as you know, the formula for rectangle is length by width, okay? So we can write down length multiplied by width, and first length is in here, so we have 10 centimeters. Width is in here, so we have multiplied by 4 centimeters, and this is 40 centimeters squared. Is that over? No, because we need to find what's the total surface area, and the total surface area is A, and the A is A1 plus A2. Okay, so we need to just add up these two areas, okay? So at the end we have area is 12 centimeters plus, of course, squared, 40 centimeters squared. So this is 52 centimeters squared, okay? Now we need to find what is the perimeter, and we need to make it a little bit smaller. As you know, the perimeter is when we add all of the lengths of the sides, okay? So we just simply need to add this length and this and this and this and that, okay? So perimeter is 8 centimeters plus 10 centimeters plus 4 centimeters plus 4 centimeters and plus 7.2 centimeters, okay? and this is all 33.2 centimeters. Okay, so take it down into your copies, please. Okay, and here we go, another shape, and there are two ways to do it. So we can divide it, first of all, let's say in here, and then another line in here. Okay, and then we have four right-angled triangles and then a rectangle in the middle. So we need to find the areas of these four triangles first, and we can name it, let's say, A, and we can draw a little triangle here, or we can name it A1, whatever. So we have area of the rectangle, first of all, formula, BH. Okay, and the B is the base, and this is the base. And the base is 10 centimeters long. This line segment is exactly the same as this one, the same as this one, the same as this one, the same as this one. So in this case, we have B is 10 centimeters. Then we need to find the height, and the height is here. The height is here, the height is here, the height is here, here and here, and it's always the same. It's 10 centimeters as well. Okay, so we have height 10 centimeters. So A of the triangle is 1/2 multiplied by 10 centimeters multiplied by 10 centimeters. So we have 1/2 multiplied by 10 is 5, multiplied by 10, 50 centimeters squared. Now we have four exactly the same triangles, so we need to multiply it by 4. So 4 multiplied by A, so we have 4 multiplied by 50 centimeters squared, and then we have 200 centimeters squared. And then we have another shape in here, so we can name it A and draw a little rectangle here, or we can name it A2, doesn't matter, it's up to you. And then we know the formula is length by width, okay? And then we have length in here and width here. So this line segment L is 20 centimeters long. This one, how to find this one? We just know this line segment is 25. This is 10 and this is 10. Okay, so if we know this is 10 and this is 10, so what is missing in the middle? It's just 5, okay? And then when we add them up, so we have 10, 15, and 10, and it's 25. So we know L is 20 centimeters and W is 5. So then our area is 20 centimeters multiplied by 5 centimeters, and the answer is 100 centimeters squared. Now we need to add them up. Okay, so the total area is 4 triangles plus area of the rectangle. So then we have 200 and 100. So this is 200 centimeters squared plus 100 centimeters squared. Okay, perimeter is really easy. You know you need to just add all of them. Okay, this is 12 plus 12 plus 25 plus 12 plus 12 and plus 25. And another method to do this question is we can look at this picture and then we have a huge rectangle in here. Okay, so we can find the area of this rectangle. So we have 20 multiplied by 25. And then we need to find the area of this triangle. This one is the same, so we can just take it away. Okay, so let's do it really quickly. Okay, so here we have the second method. So first of all, we need to find the area of the rectangle, and we have length by width, okay? Then we need to find the area of a triangle here, multiply it by 2, and take it away from the huge rectangle, and then we'll get this shape, okay? So let's do it now. And there we go. This is the base this time, and this is the height this time, okay? So the base is 20 centimeters and height is 10 centimeters long, okay? And then we have 1/2 multiplied by 20 and multiplied by 10. What is 100 centimeters squared? Then we need to multiply it by 2 because we have exactly 2 the same triangles, okay? And we need to take it away from the huge rectangle. So then our total surface area is 500 centimeters squared minus one triangle and minus the other triangle. And the answer is exactly the same, 300 centimeters squared. So next time you need to choose the method you think is the best for you, the easiest for you, okay? So you can divide them into smaller shapes, or you can take it away. Okay, so for the learning check, I would like you to do these 2 questions, okay? So first of all, we have an arrow, so it's easy to divide them in here, and then you have a squared 7 by 7, and then you have a triangle. The base is in here, okay? So that's 2.5 plus 7 plus 2.5. This is 16. If that is 7, how much is the height, okay? And you need to find it. And the other one, this is a big square. This is one side, the other side, and then you need to find the area of these triangles. Or you can imagine, you can put this triangle in here, and then you have one big triangle. This is the height, this is the base, okay? I want you to write down all the workings, formulas into your copies, okay? Don't just give me the answer. Everything has to be written into your copy. Okay, so see you tomorrow.